What's up, everybody? It's about 6:30 in the morning right now, and we have a fun video, and I have no idea what it's about.
It's a popular tag that's going around YouTube right now, and it's our Instagram followers control our life tag, or something like that. So basically throughout today, we're gonna be asking a bunch of poll questions on Instagram. So you guys are gonna decide how our day goes and what we do throughout our day. The first question we asked is about our Bible study. So I asked one for Bry and one for myself about which books we should read today. So far for Brylan, he has 100% 1 Timothy, and for me, 67% Mark. Since Mark 1, I read chapter 3 of Mark today because that's where I was at in Mark. And then here's my little notes that I took. I recently did a video on how I do my Bible note-taking and my Bible journal. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll have it linked in the card above. Okay, so next I asked you guys what I should have for breakfast. It was either eggs and sausage or pancakes, and pancakes is winning with 78%. So I'm gonna make those now. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain. I just finished making my pancakes, and this is the recipe I used. It's from Low Carb Yum, and these are low carb coconut flour pancakes, and I did use coconut cream instead of heavy cream in the recipe, and I have the recipe. It actually still made a lot. They do turn out kind of thin though. Here's my delicious looking pancakes. I added some sliced bananas and pecans on top.
So one of the questions we asked is if while we're getting ready we should listen to music or listen to an audiobook, and it looks like music won. Gotta be honest, I'm kind of bummed because I'm listening to Steve Jobs on my audiobook, so I was wanting to listen to that, but you guys have spoken and it's music, so it looks like it's me and Taylor Swift today.
I asked you guys on Instagram which shirt I should wear. So it was between this shirt and then this shirt with this cardigan. So it looks like the left side is winning by a little bit. So this shirt it is. Each other for so long, and I know you struggle to stay strong. Sing along with me again. So I just got done doing my makeup and hair, and I only did the front part of my hair because I'm actually going to be wearing a hat today. But I did want to share a product with you guys. You guys saw me using it. This is the Big Sexy Hair Powder Play. It's literally just a powder in this little tube that you sprinkle on. It's kind of like dry shampoo. But it just adds a lot of texture and volume. My hair tends to lie really flat and doesn't really have a lot of texture, but I love that textured look. So I just sprinkle this in there and it kind of gives me some grit. And I love the way it works, especially like if you have second day hair. Today I have fresh hair, so. But second day hair, it like even builds on top of that even more. I love like doing like the messy waves with it, and it works so well. Octoly actually sent this to me for free to use, so I was really excited to get this. This is actually my second time using this product. I used it on my wedding day, surprisingly, a long time ago to help hold my hairstyle in place and everything. So, but I love this stuff and I've been using it like almost every single day. So if you guys want to check out this product, I will have a link below for it. So here's the top you guys picked out for me. And I decided to wear it with some shorts because it's going to be warm today, and I got my hat. Wanted to be like comfortable but cute since we're going on a little date today.
Oh, you guys came through, and I am wearing the shirt that I was hoping you guys would pick. Thank you for not letting me down. So I'm gonna work on some video editing right now.
before we do our date, which we're gonna go on this afternoon / evening. And Bry, I think, is going to make his breakfast because he does intermittent fasting, so he doesn't eat till later in the day. So I just finished editing the video that I'm gonna be posting today, and it's exporting right now. And I gotta finish creating the thumbnail, but I was asking you guys which picture I should use for the thumbnail. So this was option 1, and this was option 2. And so far, it looks like option 1's winning. So that's what I'm gonna go with. My video is finally almost done exporting. It was taking a little while. I was having some computer issues, but got it all worked out. So now I'm gonna see if you guys want me to upload it like ASAP, like right away, or if you guys want me to upload it tonight at 6 p.m. I think is what I put on here. ASAP, you guys want it now. So then I'm gonna go ahead and get this video up, and then I think Brylan and I are gonna leave in a few minutes to go on our date. So we were trying to think of another question to ask you guys right now, but there's not really anything to ask.
Making salads, and Lisa's like, how can we ask a question about ourselves? I'm like, okay, do we put lettuce on our salads or no lettuce?
That's the only thing we have for lunch, so, oh well.
That's okay. Oh, but one thing we can ask you is, I don't know.
I actually thought of something. Wow.
Drum roll, please.
You have to tell him what. I didn't even say what we did.
Should we get coffee or tea? And the winner is coffee.
Yep.
Okay.
Gonna get some iced coffee.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I just had something really embarrassing just happen. So oh my gosh.
I dropped Lisa off in front of the
mail
post office.
And
I went and parked, and I parked right next to another Ford Explorer that looks exactly like
white
ours.
Ford Explorer, like exactly the same. So I go inside, and then when I come back out, I go to the car and I go to open the door, and I look up and there's a lady sitting there, and she's like surprised. I'm like, oh, I'm sorry. And then she smiles at me, and I look around, and then Bry is parked. So I just opened someone else's car, and they were sitting in there, but they were really nice about it. We are heading out to go see a movie right now, and we were gonna ask whether we should go get French fries before the movie or not, but we're running out of time, so I don't think we can. Oh. Okay, scratch that. We're getting fries real quick.
I did 112 the entire
No, you
way.
didn't. No, you didn't. So, Chick-fil-A fries for the win.
What is that to you?
Thank you.
Here we are.
Thank you. They have the most legit clothes here.
I know, H&M baby clothes. Look at the Mickey onesie.
If it lasted like
Longer.
a long time,
Yeah.
I would be buying everything.
Oh my gosh. Babe. This is the cutest thing ever. It comes with a little bandana bib. Okay, we just asked you guys if we should get this shirt because we think it's adorable. Let's see. You guys said we should get it. So we got that shirt because you guys voted yes. And when we went up to the register, it was 50% off,
Yeah,
which
so
made it even better.
it was only like $7.
Yeah, because it was a little bit pricey, but we really liked it, and it was the last one, and it goes with our theme.
And we were thinking like 15 bucks. Okay, it's pushing it, but we'll get it because it's so cool.
Yeah. Wait, tell them, did I say which pizzas we're deciding between? You tell them.
The ones that sound good to us are the wild mushroom pizza, shrimp scampi pizza, which comes with like a butter sauce on it.
Yeah.
They both look and sound delicious, but we're so indecisive that we're leaving it up to you guys.
So far, wild mushroom is 100%. So we're going with that one on a cauliflower crust. I think they're kind of spicy.
Because I remember we bought them and made them and they were spicy.
Yeah, but in here they weren't like super bad. So what'd you think of our pizza?
I thought it was actually very good.
It was delicious.
Yeah. The only thing I noticed with California Pizza Kitchen is that they don't really put any sauce on their pizzas.
Yeah, it's like very light. Next time we could ask for extra. Remember when we said that? We came that one time and we said next time we were going to.
Oh yeah.
But I forgot because it's been a long time. Something about me is I always like to carry floss in my purse because when we go out to eat and stuff, like I hate having stuff stuck in between my teeth. I hate having stuff stuck in between my teeth. But this is a new floss that I received from Authentically to share with you guys, and it's called Cocoa Floss. You want some?
Heck yeah.
So it says it's soft cocoa floss with coconut oil and peppermint fragrance. Smells so good.
As a kid, that's how I always used floss. I would just take a big string and then just suck on it.
Oh my gosh. It feels really good on my teeth. Like it's nice and soft and smooth.
How is it so soft?
I don't know. I really like it though. And it's probably because the coconut oil. And my mouth feels like minty afterwards because of the peppermint. Thanks Cocoa Floss and Authentically. So that is gonna be it for this video. We hope that you guys enjoyed helping us figure out our day and plan out our day. If you guys would like us to do other videos like this in the future, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. If you haven't already, you can follow me at Lisa M. Riggs.
And me at Brylan Riggs.
And be sure to hit that subscribe button below. That way you'll be updated whenever we post a new video. And we'll see you guys in our next video.